Last period we have seen the preparation of income and expenditure account and the opening balance sheet and the closing balance sheet. Okay, so now we will do the problem. 16th one. Question 16th one. Following receipt and payment account was prepared from the cash book of Delhi Charitable Trust. Payment side, receipt side, payment side, charity, rent and taxes, salary, printing, postage, advertising, insurance, furniture asset, investment asset, closing cash in hand, closing cash at bank, receipt side, opening cash in hand, opening cash at bank, donation, subscription, legacies, interest on investment, sale of old newspaper. So next adjustments, first one, it was decided to treat 1/3 of the amount received on account of donation as income, as income. Okay, 1/3. So into 1/3 means out of 9,000, 3,000 income, 6,000 balance sheet liability side. That is a treatment. Okay, 3,000 income and 6,000 balance sheet liability. Next one, insurance premium was paid in advance for 3 months. Look, insurance premium was paid in advance for 3 months. So here you have to remember how much insurance amount. It is given in the payment side, 2,000. So 3 year we prepaid. Then we will get 1. So into 3. Okay. So every time you do like that, into, if it is 3 month means 12 plus 3. 12 plus 3. So 3 month prepaid. Okay. So we'll get 400. So 2,000 into 3/15. So 400 is prepaid. So insurance 2,000 less prepaid insurance 400. Okay. So if it is a 2 month means divided by 14, then you will get a 1 month into 2. Here means 3 months. So into 3, if you do, then you will get a prepaid insurance. This amount is prepaid. Next one, interest on investment, accrued income. Accrued income, we know that with interest on investment, we have to add. Then balance sheet, closing balance sheet, asset. Then outstanding rent, outstanding salary with outstanding expenses. So that we have to do, it is a current year. Everything you have to add, and balance sheet, liability side. Okay, only this much. Then we will do. Okay. Any doubt related to prepaid insurance? Shubham Pal? Prepaid insurance, any doubts? We'll start. First, charity, no adjustments. Next, rent and taxes. So adjustment it is there. Outstanding rent. Next salary adjustment is there. Outstanding. Next printing, no adjustment. Next postage, no adjustment. Any doubt you can ask. Next advertisements. Advertisement adjustment is there. Outstanding. $5,500. Next insurances. Next insurances adjustment it is there. To insurance less prepaid insurance. Next insurance. Next. So prepaid insurance already I said how to calculate. 400 how we got. Then furniture asset, investment asset. Okay. Now receipt side donation. Here one adjustment it is given. 1/3 income. 1/3 income. Next is subscriptions. Related to subscription, no adjustments. So same amount. Legacies liability, interest on investment. One adjustment it is there. Third one.
Sir, it will be 3,000 now. Donation.
Donation, sorry. Yes, 3,000. Yes. Next, sale of old newspaper, no adjustment. Now you have to look each adjustment. First one over. Second one insurance prepaid over. Interest on investment accrued over. Rent advertisement outstanding over. Now you have to balance. Credit side is more, I think.
51,600.
51,600. Amount?
Income side, it is 51,600.
51,600. Excess of income over expenditure.
$21,700.
21,700. That is 21,400. Any other? Any other answer?
Sir, can you show the previous slide?
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So final answer. Shubham, answer.
Sir,
Tell.
sir, outstanding salary is 900, right?
Okay. Outstanding salary, yes, correct. Then our correct answer. So outstanding salary 900. So 6,900. So then you will get 21,400. Okay, outstanding salary 900. So 21,400. Now, opening balance sheet. Balance sheet as on 1st January 2017. Balance sheet as on 1st January 2017. Balance sheet as on. Balance sheet as on 1st January 2017. So first item we know that cash in hand. Here both it is given cash in hand, cash at bank. 11,500. Then 12,600. 11,500. 12,600. Anila, any other item? Yes. No. Okay, only one item. Next, closing balance sheet. Balance sheet as on 31st December 2017. So first item, we have to look opening balance sheet, cash in hand, closing cash in hand, cash in the bank is given. Now, capital fund. Now, okay. So opening balance sheet is over. Now, payment side. Any asset? Sharath. Sharath, any asset payment side?
Furniture.
Yes. Furniture, no adjustment. So same amount. Next, investment. So whenever we are writing investment, you have to look any accrued. Yes, accrued it is there in this question. Accrued. Third adjustment. Now you have to look receipt side. Any item. Receipt side. Aparna, any item?
Sir, no, sir.
Receipt side.
Sir,
Donation.
donation.
Donation. No need to do the calculation. You know that 1/3 there, 3,000 remaining liability. Next one, legacies. Aparna, you forgot legacies. Legacies. $18,000. Next, no other item. Now you have to look adjustment. First adjustment over. Second, where it will come? Anila, prepaid insurance, where it will come? Asset or liability?
Asset.
Yes. Only adjustment. Next, accrued interest, already we wrote. Next, outstanding rent. Outstanding rent. Muhammad Irfan, asset or liability, outstanding rent.
Liability.
Very good. Okay, all outstanding expenses, liability. But one thing you have to remember, sometimes outstanding income with this income asset. Outstanding income asset, outstanding expenses, liability. Over. I hope that now everyone might know 50% of income and expenditure and balance sheet.
$72,000.
Okay. Seventy 72,000. Now, 17th question, just you have to look. Already we did a problem like this type. So payment side, general expenses, salary, postage, electricity charges, furniture, books, asset, newspaper, meeting expenses, TV set, TV set. That is asset, TV, asset, balance CD, closing cash in hand. Receipt side, opening cash in hand. Then subscription, current year 70,000 we received. Last year 2,000 we received. Next year 3,000 we received. Then sale of books, original value and the sold value. Then rent from use of hall, Then sale of newspaper, profit from entertainment. Now additional information, the club has 100 members. 100 members, each paying 900 as annual subscription. Okay, so we have to get 90,000. You have to look this year how much we received, 70,000. Okay, so remaining 20,000, that it will be outstanding subscription at the end. So one thing you have to remember, here they given last year subscription 3,600. Last year we have to get 3,600. Out of that, this year we received 2,000. So it will not come income and expenditure account. It will come only in the closing balance sheet. Opening balance sheet, this amount will come 3,600. Opening balance sheet outstanding subscription 3,600. Closing balance sheet outstanding subscription last year 1,600. Current year 20,000. Already I said last year subscription it is given. Then this year that we received some amount means it will not come. It won't come in income and expenditure. It will come closing balance sheet only. Okay. Now second adjustment, salary. Second adjustment, outstanding salary. So we have to add, that is at the end, salary paid included 1,000 for last year. So that you have to minus. Okay, last year salary that you have to minus. Okay, next one. On 1st April 2017, the club owned, while preparing opening balance sheet, it will use land and building, furniture, books, opening amount. Okay. So these are the items. That we have to prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet. Okay. So in that, remember subscription, first you have to look the current year amount, that is 70,000. So how much this year we have to get? 100 into 900. So that is 90,000. So we received 70,000 only. So in income and expenditure by subscription received 70,000. Last year we won't take because last year we have to get 6,000, 3,600. Out of that we received 2,000. Out of that we received 2,000. So it won't come in income and expenditure. It will come, the difference amount will come closing balance sheet. But opening balance sheet 3,600. Outstanding subscription 3,600. Closing balance sheet last year outstanding subscription 1,600. So while preparing income and expenditure account, by subscription received 70,000, add outstanding subscription at the end. Add outstanding subscription at the end 20,000. Then outer column 90,000. Okay. Then salary, outstanding salary at the end less the last year salary paid. Okay, any doubt related to subscription? Sharath, any doubts? Subscription?
No, sir.
Okay.